what's the hotspot of the cursor? Um, One sec, I gotta find the name of the damn thing first. Gonna pointer PNG. Yeah, I think there's like a slight offset, which is what's throwing the click off as well. I mean, visually, not pragmatically. Yeah, I think I need to crop that if I use it. Oh, I see. Yeah. I don't even remember what the hell this thing is, to be honest. Where the hell? One sec. One sec. Hello, I'm back. Sorry, my flatmate needed me to close the window because I'm not home. It's probably gonna rain, so. Yeah, thanks for the sub. Connect. Where is the bloody mouse cursor that we had? Pointer. Oh, maybe it's in a different pack. Oh. Oh yeah. So yeah, you were saying hotspot. Yeah, yeah. It's just there's multiple different packs. What's the hotspot in the project settings? Remove the cursor because you go back to project hotspot. That's how you set the offset. Hotspot is the offset. So start. Um. Why is it dying? It's not like fast, but it's alright. Yeah, I'm going to. Anyway. Half the image size. Yeah, because I don't really know. Give me a second. I don't know what the image size is. 50 by 50. You're gonna have to guess. I mean, the easiest thing is probably for me to open it in Aseprite. Because you can crop in Aseprite, you just press C, right? It's easy as hell. I'm sorry if anyone else is in the other chats, by the way. I'm kind of ignoring the other chats. My let's just say my computer is dying. Let me just check. I should probably do a little check. Okay. Yeah. No. I know you. Sorry. What I meant is I can open it up and then look at it when I crop it. I'm not actually going to crop it. What the hell am I doing? The fact that my bar just went black is a bit concerning. It is struggling. Obviously, the white version. There's like 10 pixels. This is what I meant. 1010. That's what you mean, right? The offset, literally this point here. So it's 1010. I'd do more. Really? Oh, because you want it like you'd probably want it in the center of the clicky point, right? Like here. Yeah. Okay. 12. Good. Right. Let me close everything before my computer actually melts down. There we are. Nice. Yeah, it's better. Gods. Look, true. It's true. I don't know whether to like do a commit or not. I just merge everything. So I have actually a legitimate question. So for some reason, as you probably know that I've already mentioned, is that we have the freaking window size absolutely massive. Right, let me show you. It's 5,000 to because they didn't want to rescale the tile set. I haven't done anything I need to do. I'm fixing other people's stuff. Hold on, okay. Let me see what I've fixed and changed. So that needs to be added. That's not to do with the isometric change. Can you just slap the camera to the player and move and zoom in? Can you just slap a camera to a player character and zoom in? I don't know if that works. You tell me why I need to see the entire damn map. There is a camera 2D. Look, I didn't write this. Thank you very much. This is what it looks like normally for me. Yeah, right. I'll fix it later. Alright, let's just do a commit. Unfortunately, no one's awake to do PR reviews, so I'm just gonna have to do it. Now zoom out with the camera. I don't know if do cameras have zoom by default? I mean, I don't think they do. At least not implemented by default. What is what I mean. Well, I'm moving in and out with the scroll. That doesn't. I'm trying to figure out what BitDash was doing because he wants me to implement some stuff. Bum 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 bum. Yeah, that's what I meant. Ironic. That's what I meant. I mean, it's not. I'd have to add it, but yes, it is there. I know what you mean. Yeah. Okay, we'll just do this for now, and then implement the other things. I know we shouldn't do it. It's not. I'm going to change it. I didn't do this. Right. We just want the pathing thing to work, which now works. There we are. Right. We'll just commit this, and then we'll do the other things. Fine, I'll change it. Oh my god. After I commit. Okay. Yeah, because I went to bed, basically ironic, and everything changed. I didn't do this. It's the first thing I said when I woke up. I was like, what the fuck is this? Do you still want this to be position, by the way, or global? For tile map. Risey. Because I know we switched it, but why did they leave comments in their code as well? Stop. But if it's a child of it, I'll leave it. We'll switch it to how it was implemented before. So basically, I just need to move these out of the child. Is that what you're telling me? Like this. Did I miss something? Oh, sorry. They didn't need to be children off. Yeah. You know what? If it ain't broke, right, don't fix it. For now. Okay, I just commit. I was working on the freaking rotation before I went to bed, and everything broke. See, look. I don't think I changed anything actually on my branch, so I can just go to main. I'm going to have a normal view port size, trust me. Go to where we add the tile and click. Oh, sure, yeah, we did that as well. Let me close this. I'm completely aware, by the way. Tile map. That's not what I want. Go to where we add the tile. This one. Nope. Wait a process frame. Is it just process dot frame? Or how do you do that? Actually, I think there's an example in here, isn't there? Yeah, okay, yeah. Um, I'm seeing if we already had something. Oh, what the frick? So you don't need me to. Can you await nav mesh? Page server. What? Navigate 2D dot. Map force update? This? What does this do? Needs a map ID. What's our map ID? Nav map. What? Click coordinates. Is the map just this one? The ISO tile? We declared it at the top. Not on this, we didn't. It's just an RID, right? It's a resource ID. Oh yeah, it's a bit weird. It would be ISO map tile dot nav map, I think. Hold up. Tutorial tilemap.gd self.navmap, maybe. Largest extensive thing. It is. It's just the one that tilemap is using. Okay. Should be one. Yeah, I realized that when it crashed. It's false though. Let me print this as well, just to make sure. It's 0. Is that the default that you set it to? Let's do an RD. Yeah, yeah. That's just 0. But this already. Oh, it's fine now. Yeah. But I still did the update. I am. I woke up. I went to bed at like 3. Woke up at 9, 8, 9. Check for a thing. A thing. Okay. Uh. Oh, you want to check for a signal on the NAS server? I think I'm getting sick, which isn't good. Methods. Change. Emitted when the tile set or changes. What's classified as a change though? Is it just anything? I mean, is that map changed? Hmm? Wait, we're just gonna call find path when it's changed. Is that what you're telling me? Uh, I'm assuming this is always gonna be ready actually, but we'll see. What's it called? Find path. Oh, you want me to just wait it? Okay. I was gonna connect to the damn thing. Yeah. Navigation server 2D dot map changed. There we go. Nice. What the hell? I apologize, by the way. I'm half asleep, but also I don't know what the frick anyone else has done. So I don't need that anymore. Let's get rid of that. Cool. And then I can change the freaking. I need to change the window thing because it's pissing me off. That needs to remain for now because this can go. Oh, look at the bed. It's like, no, you can't leave us. You're the only one with all the knowledge about what's happened. 45 minutes of sleep. What? You are mental. Right, I don't need that. I don't need that either. Oh, that one actually does need to update. That's more to do with my scene than the actual main one. Well, we were never actually planning to compete. We just wanted to complete something. I is touching the hell out. And I gotta figure out how the hell what's good. Bit Dash did his thing. Unfortunately, no one can review my code, so this is a bit awkward. Oh, fuck's sake. Do I have anything in my Git stash? Bye bye. Alright. Oh boy. Yay. Oh, hold up. I should have probably. Oh, hello. Uh, Thank you, Pulvis, for the follow. And thank you for the gifted sub as well. Alright, I don't care about these conflicts right now. I really don't. Cool. Multiple. Cool. Now I can get stash supply. And hopefully it's not much of a difference. What the fuck have they done? Conflicted, so that's fine. Right, I'm gonna suggest some VS Code, I think. I don't want chips either. Oh, go away. It's been an absolute ball ache of a stream, to be honest. Alright, both. Well, GD. Selected tile node. Oh, that was me adding that stuff. That actually doesn't matter. I don't need that. That can be restored. Unmerged. I don't give a shit. I just accept the not incoming current change. Alright. What's in here? This is just the start stuff, so that's fine. Alright, I need to get rid of that. One sec. I think it's outpay there. Alright, what's different in this? Sorry, what? Deleted by us. Respectable cube. Did I delete it? I don't remember deleting it. Oh, hold up. I might have. Mate, it's an absolute mess. That can actually be accepted. Up by item deleted. Is that already in the main scene? I assume it is. That's why it's complaining. Let's have a look. Up by item. Is that already in the scene? Oh, I want. Oh God, I can't use my bloody computer. Here we are. Hotbar. That? Yeah, I didn't think I added it. Scenes, hotbar. Yeah, I didn't think I added it. Yeah, look. To be honest, I'm actually surprised you guys are watching. Out of everything. Alright, result those ones. What's this one? Conflicted. I mean, I haven't added those. They shouldn't even be here. Same with this. Over there. Now just make sure everything runs. I think that's all the merge conflicts. Both modified. We already got those. Reload. Close. Mm-mm. Let's close all the other ones. You know what? I don't care about any of that. Right. Oh, I see. Okay, we do need that. Great. Hey, right, we'll merge those. I want to make a new branch. To be honest. We actually have a branch for this, so I'm just going to call it general changes. Cool. Right. I think we'll just see what other crap needs to be added. Tutorial. I guess fix this bloody thing. This is... You know, we'll open it, we'll just remove it. Open anyway, because that's actually not needed for this part. It doesn't actually do anything. Else if I can open the right thing. Open anyway. Oh, for God's sake. We do it here. Are we having fun yet? What the frick? Cool. Just make sure everything else launches. Even though I hate the fact that they've changed this, so this is what we're fixing later. Cool. Let's just go through. Updated git ignore to ignore temp and files generated by dd store I guess max. File data level 0 packed array. Endpoint start point. Oh, that's fine. Remove freedoms test tile map data. Removed as it was causing a glitch where the name had already been used for the trial. Start and end marker both need to contain the name start point or end point. With the current implementation, there can only be one. That I don't actually care about. It's unneeded. Start point, endpoint, canvas layer. Why do I have a canvas layer on the tutorial island? What for? Didn't think I needed that. That was for something else. Cool. Right. Start point, endpoint. Okay, that should still not be there. Is it not recompiled? Tutorial level. Yeah, that doesn't need to be there. Don't know why it's not removed. There we go. Cool. Probably want to turn off some of these debug settings as well. I don't know if they get added to the project. Cool. Updated to add a camera 2D as well as the start and end points. That's not needed for now. I don't care about that change too much. This needs to be switched back to -1 to be honest. Oh, that's not on. Yep, entire file could probably be restored to be honest. I'm echoing. Am I? Oh, I shouldn't be. Oh, I wonder if the audio. Hold up. Oh, okay. Sorry. Yeah, they're asleep right now. Update pathing. That's not needed. I don't know why that's there. I thought I removed that. Honest. Is it called anywhere? Oh, yeah. So it must be this. Hold on, let me just mute the tab. Oh, but then I guess I can't hear them. How do I exclude my own mic? You know what? It's probably because this. Whoa. Right, I'll just turn them off and I'll put them back on when they actually wake up. That should be fine now, I think. Right. Yeah, see that? I don't think this is referenced anywhere, but I can remove it. Yeah. Yeah. I'm echoing still? I shouldn't be. Are you watching two at the same stream? Are you listening to like two different streams? I was gonna say I don't think it's echoing. It's so good. Right. Ready? It's gonna come. Might be in a bit of a problem with hydrate. Ban you? I'm not gonna ban you. I'm gonna make a coffee though, because I don't have anything to drink, and I'm gonna fill up a water bottle. Oh, thank you so much for the follow, by the way. So yeah, just give me 2 seconds, guys. I am here still, of course. Uh, right, I do need to make a drink. BRB, making coffee. We are pro, a pro stream here. All right, be right back. 1 sec. Hello, hello, ladies, gentlemen, gentlefolk. Ah. Right, I have 2 coffees, water, and now I will drink some water. You asked. Alright, here you are, Hector. Mm. Alright, cool. Alright, we were doing PR review, yeah? Oh, well, making a PR, so to say. Alright, what's the difference in place parther? Path placer. Wow, my brain is dying. That's fine. Line 11. Oh, okay. No, I'm fine with that change. Alright. Updated to wait for the navigation server to update, and then call find path. Endpoint, start point, that's fine. Updated to add a default condition if the path is empty. Right, for some reason my Git desktop is absolutely messed up, so we'll just do this. I really need to set up SSH for this computer. HTTP, sir. Right, freedom, GitHub. Great. Freedom, GitHub. To wait until it has changed before calling find path. Added default condition for when added default condition for when path is empty. And this stops the application from crashing. Right. Cool. Updated. Get ignore to ignore ds store files and .temp files. Let's see if there's actually any ds store files in here currently. Oh, there's a nice. Cool. I can't believe I can do this. This is so bad. Right, now we can actually do the thing we were trying to do before, but you guys wanted to do the scaling thing, right? Does break everything. And let's just check out main. Oh, I can. That's fine, git restore project. Git checkout main. Git pull. Cool. Right. What's it doing? Right. Yeah, reload. I also might Close that one sec. Tutorial level. I may or may not just make a build for now. Cool. All right. Let's change that. Splash screen. Instead of going to main, we're going to go to tutorial island. Because I'm also curious as to how the hell this looks on a build. And we haven't done one in a while, considering I think I was the only one building. Save. Yep, override. Don't need that open anymore. Or that. That. Here's some lazy teammates. I think they just want to get it done. To be honest. We're also going to run it locally as well, just to see if it works. Builds. All right, let's have a look. Nice. Cool. Did this entire folder. How you doing anyway, Doc? Right. This should be like build 0.2 or something stupid. Where's our submission? Oh, we haven't actually submitted, but still. Edit game. Upload. Let's hopefully I'm hoping this is gonna be way lighter. Oh, I said how are you doing? 52 megs. What the fuck, bro? Why? All right, save. Should be 0.2. That's 0.2. I'll not save it. Oh, I did. Oh, I guess because it's the previous build, right? So makes sense. Right, cool. The build works. Cool. Now to fix this mess of some rendering that we've got going on. Pretty good. Have some stuff to do today. Fair enough. Oh, right. How do I want to do this? Alright, this is gonna look god awful. Better if you could drag and zoom. I don't know why these pixels are so large, to be honest. A draggable camera 2D. Where's it come back? They're asleep. So currently I'm fixing the stuff that they didn't break per se, but you know, I feel like having this set of 5,000 pixels is completely it's not great. Just because it works. Yeah, we can do zoom in and zoom out, so we'll do that as well. Scroll up. All right. Camera 2D, extends 2D, is dragging, last mouse position, ready. Okay. Where is all this stuff? Close that. Builds. Scenes. What the hell? Trying to make everything nice. Everything's just bad. Alright. That will be needed eventually, actually, so I'll just leave it for now. Scripts. Oh, man. I just want to keep some consistency between the naming, but I guess it's not happening. What do I want to add it as? Right, we'll just for now. I've been asleep. They were working while I was sleeping. No, they are sleeping. Camera node, implement the functionality. Yeah. Don't worry. Imagine, that'd be mental. I guess you can auto infer that, right? It's just this. I just kind of like prefer this. I don't know what this. Let me read this. What is this used for in ChatGPT's code? Oh, they did mouse middle. Wait, what? Oh, right. Yeah, so panning this mouse middle, right? Yeah. What do you actually call it? I think it's panning. Let's call it camera drag. I think it's this one. Yeah. So I've been asleep basically, and then everything changed. So everything broken, but I've got a build going and everything. So at least that worked. Albeit I'm not quite happy with it, but enable the camera. I don't need to do that. It's the only camera. Process, if the input is middle mouse. Okay. At the zoom in, zoom out, but it says middle mouse. Unless they've called it middle mouse, but I doubt it. I freaking hate ChatGPT sometimes. It's usually good at things like this. At least for a basic understanding of what the hell's going on. Yeah, it's all about the tabbing and indexing. Shh. And I assume this is a variable that's not been declared. Oh, go away. Yeah, I did. Yeah, the only confusion I have, like, which is technically what it is, but I can rename it. It doesn't really matter. It's just more that ChatGPT didn't. This is what I hate about it. This is why I don't. Even as like a software engineer, I don't use it daily. It will do stuff like this, but it won't tell you to add it, right? Like it told me to add zoom in and zoom out, but it has not told me to add a middle mouse button. I've just inferred that from the code that it's given me. Like this zoom variable here, it pulled it out of his ass because like there's no zoom here. So there's a variable that holds the zoom, unless this is to the camera. I'm assuming. Oh yeah. Right. I don't actually care, so we're gonna see what happens. Hey, yes. The zoom in and zoom out are the wrong way around, but yes. It is exactly. It's. Whoa. I guess it's a bit of a bug. That's how we did the mouse buttons wrong way around. Though. Zoom in, mouse wheel up. Yeah, so they've got correct. It's just it's done the wrong way around. So I guess the better thing to do here would have the start thing here, like so you can zoom in and zoom out, or have it at a certain zoom level to begin with. That is really struggling. But at least we can now see stuff. I've been a proper proper dev for 2 years. I've done a lot of like charity code stuff as well. I unfortunately did 2 years of PHP. What the hell is that, man? Look at that collision. It's fine if you do this. It's just if you move and drag, then that happens. I wonder if it's because it's classified. Yeah, it's dragging. Maybe some boundaries next so the player can't move. Yes, that would be great. It's kind of annoying that it's done this way. Look, is it? What if I change the camera? Drag center. Oh, that just changes it over there. I don't want that. What does this do? Positional smoothing. Maybe that helps. Oh yes, look at that. It's still a bit bizarre, but at least it's not. Oh, is it? Yeah, it's kind of unfortunate because yeah. Oh, I did Java at university for 4 years. I taught it to students, but I've not done any Spring Boot or stuff like that. To be honest. What if we change the speed? I think I'm gonna make another merge in after this, because this is a much needed change. It's kind of a bit weird because you can see the lines. Like, I assume that's just the thing. We aren't rotating anyway. I don't know what this does. Is this so you can only drag on like one axis? Yeah. Well, they made us do JSPs and JSF. At my uni. Here's the limit that you guys were probably talking about. Because I'm pretty sure you can just continue going. Smooth. I don't know what that means. Like it. Right, I'm gonna leave that. I think at least it fixes the freaking scaling issue for the main part of the game. Look. I think it would be nice to have it start in a certain position though. So I might just go remote, take the camera, its current position. Thanks. Obviously it's a team effort, but 0.9 zoom. It just fixes the problem, right? For a lot of the stuff that we had. I got a good feeling. I should probably add this as a generic script that can just be added to a camera to make it draggable. So I might do that as well. It doesn't care about what the camera is, as long as the camera has the script. Oh yeah. Maybe even zoom it out a bit. Like this. Wow, the 0. Okay, that's a freaking tiny zoom. I don't think we need to be that specific. Cool. So what do you do then? Do you do like proper Java? I'm assuming you don't do web then, considering you don't like the idea of Spring Boot. Oh, I mean, it's a fancy Spring Boot, so you were saying. That's the same. I do Python, unfortunately, along with JavaScript and TypeScript. Nice. Right, that's going to be another PR, I think. And this can be a generic script. I might just rename this to like add drag controls or something. Don't need that. Oh, you do Spring Boot, okay. Rename to something like, and maybe make a utils folder or something. I don't even know if we have a utils folder. Um, I don't really like her. Oh, we've got a scripts folder. Maybe that is our utils folder. I don't know. Also, I really don't like the naming of the folders, to be honest. But it's small things. Add draggable. Fucking long ass name. Add draggable zoom controls to camera. Just make sure it still works. I think the references auto update. They do. Nice. See, oddly enough, I did art, music, and drama in secondary school. Went straight into computing. So I'm a very visual person. Like even for the game I'm currently making, for myself, not what everyone else is doing currently for the game jam. I can show you. Ignore the massive amount of files. I think it's this one. There's some problems and stuff I faced, and then I got flow diagrams and things. So. Yeah, I've got so much work to do to it though. All right, let me look at Git. That's not needed anymore. It's now build 0.3. Now bloody zoom controls. I really don't like doing this. Do we have builds in here? Oh, we deleted it, didn't we? What do you call them? General use of ease life update. Updated. Wow, good documentation. Yeah. I don't know. I can't. Even in my workplace currently, I work for like a web agency, a web/mobile agency. I've got to be honest. Not having documentation half the time is it's hard, you know. Updated the default scene to now be tutorial level after the splash screen has finished. Added draggable zoom controls to the camera 2D. Created a generic script which can be applied to the cameras within the scene. Note, ideally, I guess we'd create a new camera, new scene with the draggable camera component. But we'll do that later. Git push. Yeah, I've been a consultant for the last 10 years and I figured out things without dogs is basically the job description. The worst part is, so for mine, I think a lot of the problem I'm seeing is we're so obsessed with saving every penny that we skip on documentation half the time. But then the problem is someone needs to update it, right? But that should be the developers. If you change the architecture, the developer should update it. But we don't have any documentation on most things. Unless the client asks for it, we can't really do it. I mean, that's what you'd think, but I'm just gonna create the pull request, and I'm just gonna literally copy this squash. Yes. I mean, I've only been, I guess, a proper, quote unquote, proper software engineer for 2 years. But I'm all about documentation and everything. But I do think because of my level, I'm still classified as an associate because like my review happens in September. So I joined at a weird time. I joined like May-ish. So that we'll see. But I've been building out the UI library and everything for them to speed up development. Working with the design team and whatnot. Cool. Right, before I do anything, I'm going to do another build. It would be better if we had like some CI/CD thing, but I don't know how you do that with itch or Godot, so I'm just going to build it myself manually. I don't know what this song is. I apologize. I'm a lead. Believe me, it doesn't change anything. Yes. Okay, by 0.3. Actually, might even be 0.4 now, but we'll see. But I have a script that I wrote to run it locally. I think I'm the only person that uses it anyway, but it's just a Python script that allows me to have the headers and things that I need for the running it locally in web, which should be fine on Mac. Let's bloody go. Right. There we are. What if that looks better on Chrome? I don't know how. Oh dear. Let me not close that. Right. Edit. Oh, I was right with 0.3. Cool. What was I gonna say? Yeah, I can't imagine being a tech lead, to be honest. I don't think with the knowledge I have currently, especially with the problem I'm having is that everyone in my agency currently is kind of more back-end oriented. So now I'm on an actual team. I'm mainly on the front end, which I don't hate too much. It feels like there's more to than just making pretty buttons all day long, you know? The great thing is though, because I wasn't a complete moron, I could change this to anything. Like pull this, what's your name? to I just run the game, right? So uh, right. Right. I need to do the rotation thingy now. Now I can actually do the thing I was meant to do. I just gotta merge main into my thing. You'll get there with time. I can just Yeah, it's just most of my backend experience is here's an endpoint. This is what we want to return. I've not done like any proper integration. I did some MailChimp stuff. But nothing like major. Well, I wouldn't consider it major. I don't need that open anymore. Alright, so I can remove builds. I'll be here for you. Right. Now I've actually got to figure out how the hell BitDash wanted me to do this. Oh, that's not one. Keep rotation. No, did I not type it right? Yeah, that's alright. But yeah, if you feel like visiting some random crap that I do, I'm still proud of this one. I did this at university. This is just JavaScript, CSS, and some HTML. I need to actual proper controls on this, but yeah, I felt like most of it is here's some data, take it, transmute it, display it. I feel like that's the steps. Well, that's why I'm the front end person in my company. I think I'm one of the few front end devs we have. Usually it's smaller. Hold up. Oop. I can't remember how I did this. This has been so long since I made this. Yeah, I mean, we use Tailwind as well. Same thing here. CSS, HTML. It's not like I want it. See, I hate Tailwind so much. Do you want to see what I did to it? I hated it so much. The way that they use reusability. I ended up making this in an hour. And basically, you can extend your styles, and basically how you use them in React. It's just this. But obviously, being able to extend something means it needs to make a copy, which it does. It's just if you make another extended copy of an extended copy, you have the same properties. So it was something I'd need to figure out somewhere, but I just never got around back to it. It's kind of like if you've ever used React Native style sheets, that's kind of what I was going for, that kind of vibe. So I could be like, oh, so you take all the extra added CSS like Tailwind bullcrap that gets appended to everything, and the really long strings. You just add what you need, and then you just basically reference it. So, well, that's the idea. Right. Reload. Everything's broken. Is that imported main? Oh, okay. Not that bad, actually. Is that it? Mm-hmm. Cool. Ooh, jamming. Hello, hello. Yeah, it's alright. They added stuff while I was away, and I've been changing other things because they set the size like massive. I added the panning camera, and I can't take credit for this. This is Freedom and Razy, right? Razy, and Pelvis actually helped on some of it too. So basically, I think the idea is that we're going to get some people across this, and this is how we're going to build our levels. So I thought about doing tile rotations because that's what we wanted to do. This is what I was implementing before I fell asleep. This. So originally we are going to have it like here and all this layout, but some of these things might need rotations. So you move from this point to this point to this point to this point, which is like this. So basically you get north, east, south, west, right? And you basically go through the array. So if you add right, like here, you go across the index. And when you hit here, you need to check, the condition is out of bounds. Reset to 0. Same thing here. You go back 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Check it. This one, if it's out of bounds, go back. So this is what I'm doing. Might be nice to get it to zoom out like central to the actual item, but it's an oversight. Yeah, they are. It's just isometric view. So there's actually multiple variants inside of there's multiple variants inside of this Godot here. So they changed the tile sets and everything before I went to bed.